If you're serious about protecting your data or even learning hacking ethically, using the right Linux distro is key. Some Linux versions are built especially for cybersecurity, making it easier to stay safe online and perform security tests. So let's look at the best Linux distros for cybersecurity. First, Kali Linux is one of the most popular choices among cybersecurity experts. It comes with tons of built-in tools for penetration testing and security research. Second, Parrot Security OS is another great option. It's similar to Kali, but offers a more user-friendly experience with a focus on privacy and digital forensics. The third is BackBox, okay? BackBox Linux, which is perfect for anyone looking for a lighter, faster distro focused on security and private tools. The fourth is BlackArch Linux, it's packed with hundreds of security tools, making it ideal for more advanced users who need deep testing capabilities. Lastly, Tails is known for its focus on anonymity, okay? It runs from a USB stick and leaves no trace on the computer, perfect for securing browsings, okay? Perfect for secure browsings. So choosing the right distro for your needs can make a huge difference in how secure you feel online. And I'll put everything in the description. Love ya.